Don't laugh. You're not allowed to laugh. You're the camera with me. I don't pay you for that. Keep it on me. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get on the dark web, but first, make sure that you subscribe with notifications on. Because if you don't have notifications on, how are you meant to know when I upload? You're also probably wondering, how am I supposed to teach you how to get on the dark web outside? Why would I want to copy every other boring tutorial person thingy? I'm going to do this tutorial in my pool. Come here, Kira. You're supposed to follow me. I had what you're supposed to do on a piece of paper. The first thing you need to do is you need to download Tor. To download Tor, you click on the link in the description and download it. And I promise you, you will not get a virus from it. I've used the exact same website, so don't worry. Your computer is not going to blow up when you click the link. The next thing you do is you use the wizard.
Your hat.
Oh, there's my hat. Does that make me look less or worse of an idiot? The next part, you need to download a VPN, otherwise people are going to track you, find your house and find you and kill you. I use CyberGhost VPN, but you can use any VPN you want really. I'll put my one in the description if you want to go and check that one out. Don't mind, this is how all my videos start. They all start really boring until they're edited. When they're edited, they become good, I promise. I don't know, Kira, I can't remember. I can't remember. Oh, I know the rules. There's rules as well. I forgot the rules and regulations of using the dark web. If you don't use these rules, you will get tracked and you will probably get viruses and you will probably get murdered by policemen. The first rule is don't have it on full screen. If you have the video, if you have Tor on full screen, then Kira will keep looking at me like an idiot. Don't laugh! Don't laugh at me! If you have the tutorial on full screen, people will find it easier to track you down, hunt you down, and find out where you live so that they can send you poos and packages. You can see my nipples, can't you? That's how cold I am. To find all the dodgy websites that you want to find out for whatever reason, I don't really want to know, to be honest. If you want to go and find the scary dodgy websites, you need the hidden wiki, which is always changing, so I can't put a link in the description. Just Google hidden wiki on the dark web and you'll find it. Here he comes. Are you going to film the plane, Kira? Film the plane. The plane's entertaining, sure. Kira, no one cares about the plane, film me. Also, don't give anyone your real name and don't give it out your address, because if you do that, then you're just pretty much an idiot and you shouldn't be on the dark web anyway.
I'll get the piece of paper.
The paper's ruined! No, forget the paper, Kira. Off camera. Forget the paper. No, don't you dare stop that
You said
filming.
off camera.
Kira, we film everything. This is Owen's life. Subscribe. Oh, also you need browsers. You need browsers. I'll put browsers in the description as well. Basically everything you need is in the description, including the subscribe button. So you should go and click on that and make sure you subscribe and like this video. You should all go and watch other videos of mine so that you know that I'm not normally this bad at YouTube. And that normally my videos are good. Subscribe to Owen's Life. Bye. Yeah, are you ready for this? This is a big one. 10 boxes, 20 nuggets, please. This bag is just full of ketchup.